Alright friends, subscribers, internet strangers, what's up? Bearded Picker here, and this video was a lot of fun. We laughed a lot, and then the video is going to be grainy. I'm sorry about that. I was taking on a camera phone. We can't control a lot about that. But you'll get the picture of the craziness that went on. So what do you do when you're about to go on a RA trip? Make sure you get all the boxes you need and at least put one in the van. Okay, really. Let's go get some boxes. We'll show you what the results are.
That whole bundle. That enough, or you want some more?
Oh, did I forget this part? UPS is coming to get them tomorrow in a van. When you're full-time and you're working this out. Alright, so there's the door. I kept the backpack. I had the other backpack over there too. But this is what RA trips look like when you get done with them. There's the bag. I carry my portable office. There's the YouTube bag with all the cameras in it. The suitcase was right there. That's the only room I had. You see I ran out of box space. I started shoving stuff on top. And the only other space over here, you always gotta have Diet Coke. The cooler. So, successful trip. This is the way they should end. That's why you need to go get all your Lowe's boxes. All right. It's about time to make another video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the humor. Roll Tide.